Hello students, welcome to social science class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, we are doing chapter 10. The rise of small kingdom in North India. In this chapter we have read about Rashtrakutas, Palas and Pratiharas. Rashtrakutas ruled over the northern part of Deccan, Palas on the eastern India, and Pratiharas in southern Rajasthan and Gujarat. As we have discussed that these three kingdoms were engaged in wars. They engaged in continuous wars for the supremacy, for the areas. And a war that is for supremacy is called tripartite struggle. This struggle is for the area of Kannauj. Kannauj was a important trade center at that time, and all these three kingdoms, the Rashtrakutas, Palas and Pratiharas, were engaged in struggle to take control over Kannauj. You can see in this picture also that Gurjara, Pratiharas, Palas and Rashtrakutas, all these three were struggling for Kannauj. This continuous battle weakened them, and one by one each of them succeeded in occupying Kannauj. But the continuous battle weakened them and finally led to the decline of all the three great powers. Let's read. Kannauj was considered a symbol of power in North India. It is considered as a symbol of power because it is a trade center, an important trade center. The three kingdoms, the Rashtrakutas, the Palas and Pratiharas, were continuously engaged in a struggle to possess Kannauj. Their struggle for supremacy was known as tripartite struggle. Each of them succeeded in occupying Kannauj in turns, as they were almost at par in military strength. But the continuous battles weakened them and finally led to the decline of all the three great powers. Their empire disintegrated into small kingdoms with a period of 100 years. So, the struggles, the wars in which all these three kingdoms engaged, these struggles weakened them. But they were still engaged in the wars to show their supremacy, to show their power, to show their military strength. कन्नौज बहुत अच्छा ट्रेड सेंटर था, और ट्रेड सेंटर इट मीन्स उस टाइम पर जो बिजनेस होता था वो वाटरवेज और लैंडवेज के थ्रू था. ओके, एंड कन्नौज वाज द सेंटर पॉइंट. इट हैव waterways as well as landways. Okay, so every one of them wanted to control over कन्नौज. और ये अपनी पावर को शो करने के लिए था. It is just to show their power, that they were powerful than the others. It shows their military strength, that they have a good army and they were powerful. So for this, these three empire or kingdoms were continuously struggling for the Kannauj, and each of them succeeded. इनमें से हर एक को सक्सेस मिला. ठीक है. वन बाय वन दे गेट द कंट्रोल ओवर कन्नौज, but it weakened their power. Here again the map, it shows the battle, it shows the struggle for the Kannauj area. You can see the Pratiharas, Palas and Rashtrakutas, all the three tried to control over that area. Okay, so this is called tripartite struggle. It means three parties are involved in the struggle. That is the meaning of tripartite. So that's it in this video. You have to read the paragraph or the topic from the book. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.